Hello friends, welcome to KR Kila channel. Friends, today we will see MSCET Law Entrance Exam 3 years LLB sample paper. So friends, watch our complete video, like it, share it, comment on it and don't forget to subscribe it. Legal aptitude and legal reasoning 30 marks. Question number 1. All proceeding in the Supreme Court and every High Court shall be in which language? Answer is option B, English. Question number 2. Which of the following is not an eligibility criteria for election as President of India? Answer is option number D. He should be elected as a member of the House of the People. Question number 3. Indian Constitution was enacted and adopted on answer option number B 26 November 1949. Question number 4. The President's rule under Article 356 remains valid in the state for the maximum period of answer is option C 6 months. Question number 5. The powers of the President of India are answer is option number B in accordance with the Constitution. Question number 6. Principle. No legal remedy exists for an injury caused by an act for which one has consented. Facts. Mr. Ankush, a cricket enthusiast, purchased a ticket to watch the one-day international cricket match between India and Australia, organized by the Board of Control for Cricket in India (BCCI). As he is absorbed in watching the exploits of David Warner, a ball struck for a six by the latter hits Mr. Ankush on his body and injures him. Mr. Ankush sues BCCI for reimbursement of the medical bill the paid for treatment of the injury. Answer is option number B. Mr. Ankush would lose as he voluntarily exposed himself to the risk. Question number 7. Principle. A minor's agreement is absolutely void and not enforceable. Facts. Mr. Ravi is a stamp collector. He is particularly anxious to get a rare stamp belonging to Mr. Santosh, age 16, who agrees in writing to sell it to Mr. Ravi for rupees 100 but subsequently refuses to deliver it to Ravi. Though he pays rupee 100, Mr. Ravi now wants to sue Mr. Santosh. Will he succeed? Answer is option A. Ravi cannot succeed as Mr. Santosh is not liable. Question number 8. Principle. A person who is usually of sound mind but occasionally of unsound mind may not make a contract. When he is of unsound mind, a person who is usually of unsound mind but occasionally of sound mind may make a contract when he is of sound mind. Facts. Mr. Shailesh, a patient in a lunatic asylum, is at intervals of sound mind. Can Mr. Shailesh contract at intervals? Answer is option C. Yes, because he is of sound mind during those intervals. Question number 9. Principle. Every person who commits an offence in the territory of India shall be guilty within the meaning of Indian Penal Code. Facts. Mr. Maurice, a citizen of France, commits murder in Madras. In this case, answer is option B. Mr. Maurice is guilty of murder because every person, whether he is a citizen of India or not, is liable if he commits an offence in India. Question number 10. Principle. Theft amount to robbery if the offender for committing theft voluntarily causes any person's death or causes hurt. Facts. Mr. Prakash pushes Mr. Sharath on his face and thereafter Mr. Prakash removes Mr. Sharath's watch and wallet. Answer is option A. Mr. Prakash is guilty of committing robbery as he inflicted injuries on Sharath for committing theft. Question number 11. Recently, Supreme Court of India directed the centre to issue notification banning the employment of minor children. Answer is option number C. Circus within 2 months. Question number 12. Which of the following NGO was allowed by the Supreme Court of India in participating in the inquiry against Justice P.D. Dinkaran? Answer is option C, Forum for Judicial Accountability. Question number 13. Who among the following is the author of the book Law and Justice and Anthology? Answer is option B, Mr. Soli Sorabji. Question number 14. Who among the following is the first sitting judge of the High Court to be faced with CBI investigation? Answer is option C, Mr. Justice Nirmal Yadav. Question number 15. Withdrawing medical treatment with the deliberate intention of causing the patient's death is called? Answer is C, passive euthanasia. Question number 16. Who among the following is the not a member of the committee which elect the Central Vigilance Commission? Answer is option A, President of India. Question number 17. Death sentence can be awarded in? Answer is option C, rarest of the rare cases. Question number 18. When a person is remanded to judicial custody, he shall be sent to? Answer is option B, jail. Question number 19. The starting point of an agreement is? Answer is option A, offer. Question number 20. Reasonable restrictions can be imposed on fundamental rights by? Answer is option B, Parliament. Question number 21. The temporary release of prisoner is called? Answer is option A, parole. Question number 22. Which constitution amendment bill is popularly known as Women's Reservation Bill? Answer is option C, 108. Question number 23. Judiciary in India has declared the year as the Awareness Year of Female Foeticide. Answer is option A, 2007. Question number 24. A offers to sell his car to B for 40,000. B agrees to buy the car of A offering 30,000. The reply of B amounts to? Answer is B, counter offer. Question number 25. The Council of Ministers is jointly responsible to? Answer is option D, Lok Sabha. Question number 26. Panchayati Raj in India is? Option A. Answer is option A hierarchical setup for rural administration. Question number 27. The Supreme Court of India was set up? Answer is option A, by the Constitution. Question number 28. The Consumer Protection Act came into existence in? Answer is option A, 1986. Question number 29. What is legal right? Answer is option A, right recognized by law and capable of being enforced at law courts. Question number 30. If a newspaper published a defamatory article written by A, who can be sued? Answer is option D, Mr. A, printer, publisher and editor. General knowledge including current affairs, 40 marks. Question number 1. The percentage of earth surface covered by India is? Answer is option A, 2.4. Question number 2. Which among the following are the major factors responsible for the monsoon type of climate in India? Answer is option D, first, second, third and fourth. Question number 3. The present forest area of India according to satellite data is? Answer is option B, decreasing. Question number 4. Which state has smallest land area? Answer is option A, Goa. Question number 5. How many states and union territories in India? Answer is option B, 28 states and 7 union territories. Question number 6. The world's longest river is? Answer is option A, Nile. Question number 7. Chandragupta first founded the Gupta era in the year? Answer is option C, 320 AD. Question number 8. The word Jai Hind was first used by? Answer is option B, Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 9. When for the first time was the institution of Public Service Commission for Recruitment to Public Services in India set up? Answer is option D, 1925. Question number 10. Swaraj as a national demand was first made by? Answer is option C, Dadabhai Nauroji. Question number 11. The concept of creamy layer is associated with? Answer is option C, other backward classes. Question number 12. For the first time, the proclamation of emergency under Article 352 was made in? Answer is option B, 1962. Question number 13. What is the main component of biogas and natural gas? Answer is option B, methane. Question number 14. Watt is the unit of? Answer is option C, electrical current. Question number 15. C.V. Raman was awarded Nobel Prize for? Answer is option C, physics. Question number 16. The National Science Day is celebrated on? Answer is option B, February 28. Question number 17. Which is the largest planet of our solar system? Answer is option B, Jupiter. Question number 18. Approximately how many bones are there in the human body? Answer is option B, 206. Question number 19. RBI was nationalized in? Answer is option B, 1949. Question number 20. Security Exchange Board was established in the year? Answer is option C, 1992. Question number 21. The 1 rupee currency notes coin are issued by the? Answer is option A, Ministry of Finance. Question number 22. Which state of India record the highest production of tea? Answer is option B, Assam. Question number 23. The concept of 5-year plans in India was introduced by? Answer is option C, Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 24. World Bank provides for? Answer is option A, long-term loan. Question number 25. The members of the Rajya Sabha are elected by? Answer is option C, elected members of the Legislative Assembly. Question number 26. The power to decide an election petition is vested in the? Answer is option C, High Court. Question number 27. The present Lok Sabha is the? Question number 27. The present Lok Sabha is the? Answer is option D, 16th Lok Sabha. Question number 28. The oath of office is administered to the members of State Council of Ministers by? Answer is option A, the Governor. Question number 29. The preamble to our Constitution provided that India is? Answer is option B, a sovereign, socialist, secular and democratic republic. Question number 30. Which amendment led to the creation of Panchayat Raj? Answer is option A, 73rd Amendment. Question number 31. Question number 31. Which day is celebrated as Civil Service Day? Answer is option A, 21st April. Question number 32. Who wins the 2015 IPL T20 Cup Final? Answer is option B, Mumbai Indians. Question number 33. Recently banned Maggi noodles is the product of which brand? Answer is option A, Nestle. Question number 34. International Yoga Day is celebrated on? Answer is option B, 21st June. Question number 35. In which city the former President of India APJ Abdul Kalam died? Answer is option B, Shillong. Question number 36. Which sport person had been awarded Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna? Answer is option B, Sania Mirza. Question number 37. Which state government in May 2015 launched Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme? Answer is option B, Haryana. Question number 38. A.R. Rahman appointed as cultural ambassador of? Answer is option D, Seychelles. Question number 39. Which Asian country became the first in the world to approve dengue vaccine? Answer is option D, Philippines. Question number 40. The Planning Commission of India renamed as? Option A, Niti Aayog. Part 3. Logical and analytical reasoning, 30 marks. Question number 1. Doctor, medicine. Teacher, answer is option C, knowledge. Question number 2. Moon, silver. Answer is option A, sun, gold. Question number 3. House and rent. Answer is option D, all of these. Question number 4. If bus is coded as TWU, how will you code ROBS? Answer is option C, TQBU. Question 5. According to military code, system is SYS-MET and nearer is AENRER. What is the code for fraction? Answer is option C, CARFNORT. Question number 6. In a certain language, champion is coded as SCMAIPNO. How is negative coded in that code? Answer is option A, ENAGITEV. Question number 7. If light is coded as GILTH, find the code for rainy. Answer is option A, IARYN. Question number 8. Find the odd word. Answer is option B, capture. Question number 9. Writer and poet. Answer is option C, books and lessons. Question number 10. Carpenter and wood. A, goldsmith and gold. B, blacksmith and iron. C, engineer and machiners. D, all of these. Answer is D, all of these. Question number 11. Statement. Some actors are singers. All the singers are dancers. Conclusion. Some actors are dancers. Second, no singer is actor. Answer is A, only one. Conclusion follows. Question number 12. Statement. All the windows are doors. No door is a wall. Conclusion. First, some windows are walls. Second, no walls is a door. Answer is option B, only two. Conclusion follows. Question number 30. Statement. 1. Some roses are flowers. Second, all thorns are flowers. Conclusion. First, all thorns being roses is a possibility. Second, no thorn is a rose. Answer is A, if only conclusion 1 follows. Question number 14. Statement. Some stones are shells. All shells are pearls. No stone is fish. Conclusion. 1. No fish is a shells. Second, all shells being fish is a possibility. Answer is option D, if neither conclusion 1 nor conclusion 2 follows. Question number 15. Statement. All mobiles is tablet. All tablet is smartphone. All smartphone is laptops. All laptops is computers. Conclusion. First, all computers being mobiles is a possibility. Second, all tablet being computers is a possibility. Answer is option A, if only conclusion first follows. Question number 16. Statement. Some apples are orange. Some orange are pineapples. Some pineapples are not coconut. Some coconut are black forest. Conclusion. First, some orange being black forest is a possibility. Second, some pineapples being coconut is a possibility. Answer is option D, if both conclusion first and second follow. Question number 17. Statement. Some red boxes are green boxes. All red boxes are yellow boxes. Conclusion. First, some yellow boxes are green boxes. Second, all green boxes are red boxes. Answer is option A, only one can be true always. Question number 18 statement. Some pens are keys. Question number 18 statement. Some pens are keys. Some keys are locks. All locks are cards. No card is paper. Conclusion. No lock is paper. Some cards are keys. Some keys are not paper. Answer is option D. All follow. Question number 19 statement. All cups are bottles. Some bottles are jugs. No jug is plate. Some plates are tables. Conclusion. First, some tables are bottles. Second, some plates are cups. Third, no table is bottle. Fourth, some jugs are cups. Answer is option D. Only either one or third follows. Question number 20 statement. All rings are circles. All squares are rings. No eclipse is a circle. Conclusion. First, some rings being eclipses is a possibility. Second, at least some circles are squares. Answer is option B. If only conclusion second follows. Question number 21. Arrange the words given below in a meaningful sequence. Word, first word, second paragraph, third sentence, fourth letter, 5 phrase. Answer is option D. 4, 1, 5, 3, 2. Question number 22. Which number would replace underline mark in the series? 2, 5, 10, 17, dash 37. Answer is option C. 26. Question number 23. 18, 21, 25, 18, 29, 33, 18. What number should come next? Answer is option C. 37, 41. Question number 24. What will be the next term in ZAM, YBL, dash, WDJ, VEI? Answer is option A. XCK. Question number 25. What will be the next term in HLK, XTQ, KON, dash, NRQ, RNK? Answer is A. EQN. Question number 26. 210, 40, 120, dash. Answer is option A. 240. Question number 27. Find the wrong number in the following series. 6, 15, 30, 75, 15, 151, 375, 750. Answer is option A. 151. Question number 28. Look at the series 3, 3 oblique 2, 3 oblique 4, 3 oblique 6. What number should come next? Answer is option A. 3 oblique 8. Question number 29. First, poverty. Second, population. Third, death. 4, unemployment. 5, disease. Answer is option B. 2, 4, 1, 5, 3. Question number 30. Arrange the given word in a meaningful and logical sequence. 1, shoulder. Second, wrist. Third, elbow. Fourth, palm. 5, finger. Answer is option A. 5, 4, 2, 3, 1. Part 4th, English, 50 marks. Instructions. Identify the word that mean the same. Question number 1. Judicious. Answer is option B. Wise. Question number 2. Monotonous. Answer is option B. Dull. Question number 3. Jest. Answer is option B. Enthusiasm. Question number 4. Wealthy. Answer is option A. Affluent. Question number 5. Mercy. Answer is option B. Kindness. Instruction. Choose the word which is opposite in meaning in each of the following. Question number 6. Appreciate. Answer is option B. Criticize. Question number 7. Trustworthy. Answer is option C. False. Question number 8. Prudent. Answer is option B. Imprudent. Question number 9. Famous. Answer is option B. Notorious. Question number 10. Hate. Answer is option B. Love. Instructions. Choose appropriate one word for the following. Question number 11. Assembly of listeners. Answer is option B. Audience. Question number 12. Life history written by self. Answer is option C. Autobiography. Question number 13. One who is unable to read and write. Answer is option A, illiterate. Question number 14. A list of books. Answer is B, catalog. Question number 15. That which is bound to happen. Answer is option A, inevitable. Instructions. Some idioms given below are commonly used. Choose the correct meaning for each of the idioms. Question number 16. Once in the blue moon. Answer is option D, on rare occasion. Question number 17. A cock and bull story. Answer is option B, a foolish story. Question number 18. To give one's ear. Answer is option B, to listen carefully. Question number 19. To bring into light. Answer is option C, to disclose. Question number 20. Pros and cons. Answer is option C, advantage and disadvantage. Instructions. Select the best option in the following sentence. Question number 21. My friend met me. Answer is option C, at the railway station. Question number 22. They prefer coffee. Answer is option D, to tea. Question number 23. Rakesh is superior. Option B, to charm inability. Question number 24. She is honest officer. Answer is option B, Anne. Question number 25. Kashmir is. Answer is option C, the Switzerland of India. Question number 26. Every plant water. Answer is option B, needs. Question number 27. The leader as well as the followers accepted the proposal. Answer is option C, is. Question number 28. 10 kilometers, a long distance. Answer is option A, is. Question number 29. One should always respect. Answer is option D, one's elders. Question number 30. Everyone loves. Answer is option B, his country. Instruction. Read the given passage carefully and answer the question. Question number 31. Technology makes. Answer is option D, any society progressive. Question number 32. The concept of. Answer is option C, e-learning and e-teaching is gaining popularity. Question number 33. The purpose of education should be. Answer is option C, to meet the needs of variety of learners. Question number 34. According to Bassage, information technology has transformed. Answer is option A, methods and potential of education. Question number 35. The word proficiency in the passage means. Answer is option A, expertise. Instruction. Pick out the most appropriate word to fill in the blank. Answer. Question number 36. He was not to sell his house unless someone offers a more realistic price. Answer is option B, ready. Question number 37. If they, we shall participate in the competition. Answer is option A, agree. Question number 38. The question were two to solve. Answer is option A, difficult. Question number 39. The student felt when he won the race. Answer is option A, overjoyed. Question number 40. Nobody can tolerate such an. Answer is option B, insult. Instruction. In each question a part of sentence is printed in italics. Below each sentence, some alternatives are given which can substitute the italicized part of the sentence. Find out the correct answer. Question number 41. Unless he does not submit the